Hello everyone, welcome to EduCare 247. This is the second lecture of Important Reports and Indices series. In this lecture series, we discuss report published by important national and international organizations. In our second lecture, we are discussing Human Development Report 2019. This report is very much important for RBI, NABARD and SEBI examination. Let's discuss the report. NABARD Grade A notification is out. EduCare 247 has launched course for the NABARD Grade A examination 2020. In this course, you will get current affairs on economic and social issues, agriculture and rural development, general awareness, government scheme, reports and indices, economic survey, budget, report published by NABARD, different ministries. You will get agriculture and rural development static portion. Apart from that, you will get 5000 plus MCQs. This course is very much useful for phase 1 and phase 2 exam preparation. We have separate courses for agriculture and rural development and computer awareness section. So you can visit educare247.com and subscribe the courses according to your need. Let's discuss Human Development Report 2019. This report is published by United Nations Development Programme UNDP. Recently, this report has been released and India's ranking in this report is 129 out of 189 countries. Last year, India's ranking was 130th position. India has improved the ranking by 1 position point. So this is very important. This can be asked. So remember the India's ranking. Along with this report, 4 different index is published. That is Inequality Adjusted Human Development Index. Second is Gender Development Index. Third is Gender Inequality Index, and fourth is Multidimensional Poverty Index. So all these 4 indexes published by UNDP. This is also very important. You can remember all these 4 index, that is the part of Human Development Report. This year report title is Beyond Income, Beyond Average, Beyond Today, and this year focus is on inequality in human development. So you can remember the focus and title. This is also very important for the exam point of view. Human Development Index focuses on people and their capabilities. It argues that countries' development should not be measured in terms of economic growth alone. There should be consideration for people and their capabilities. Human Development Index measures the 3 dimensions: long and healthy life, access to knowledge, decent standard of living. So this is the base for HDI, Human Development Index. You can remember these dimensions. This is very important for the examination. This year Norway got the top rank, second is Switzerland, third is Ireland. This is the region, you can remember that. Fourth rank has been taken by Germany along with Hong Kong. On 5th position Australia is there. This is Australia. You remember all the top performer. It can be asked in the examination. Let's discuss India's performance and its neighbors' performance. India got 129 rank. China has 85 rank. Russia has 49 rank. Pakistan is better than India, 113. Sri Lanka has 71 rank. You can remember that. Nepal is worse than India, 147. Maldives is also better than India, 104. And Bangladesh is worse than India, 135. So you can see the India's neighbor performance. Region wise, South Asia region is the fastest growing region in human development progress. Compared to 1990, this region has improved by 50%, approx 50%. India has also improved in terms of HDI. In 1990, we had HDI 0.431. Now we have 0.647. So this region is improving in many parameters. India has improved, like in life expectancy, India has increased by 11.6 years. In terms of overall schooling, India has also improved. In terms of per capita income, India has improved by 250% between this period. So this is very important. You can remember all the facts. There are other index along with the Human Development Report, that is Inequality Adjusted Human Development Index. In this, India has little poor score, 0.477. In Gender Development Index, India has relatively better score, and it is very much compared to South Asian average, that is 0.828, or India has the number 0.829. So India is improving in terms of gender development, so that is also very important. Let's discuss Gender Inequality Index. It is a composite measure of gender inequality using the 3 dimensions, that is reproductive health, empowerment and labor market. India got 122 rank out of 162 countries. That is not good. In India, group-based inequality persists. Even in worldwide, that group-based inequality persists. According to this report, world is not on the right track to achieve gender equality by 2030. That is United Nations Sustainable Development Goal. According to this report, world will take 200 years to close the gender gap. This report has defined social norm index, that is social beliefs and prejudices impact the gender inequality. Worldwide, only 14% women and 10% men have no gender bias. Other people have strong gender bias. So this is the overall crux of gender inequality index. This index is very important, and you know that this is published by UNDP, that is the part of Human Development Report. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment. In comment section, let us know on which report you want to see the video. Thank you and happy learning.